In an unusual turn of events in the New York civil fraud trial involving former President Donald Trump, an appeals court judge, Justice David Friedman, has temporarily lifted the gag order imposed on Trump and his legal team. The order, issued by New York Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron, restrained Trump from publicly discussing communications between Engoron and his staff, with a subsequent expansion to include Trump's legal team. This move by the appellate court is effective until at least the November 27 hearing. Engoron's original order was prompted by Trump's repeated criticisms of the court's principal law clerk. Trump's legal team swiftly filed an emergency lawsuit with the appellate court, challenging the constitutionality of Engoron's restrictions and questioning his impartiality in overseeing the trial. Justice Friedman, a Democrat appointed by former Republican Governor George Pataki, acknowledged the constitutional and statutory rights in question, emphasizing the delicate balance between free speech and legal constraints. The decision to lift the gag order follows Trump's recent legal maneuvers, including a motion for a mistrial filed on Wednesday, aiming to salvage what Trump's attorneys argue is left of the rule of law. This motion, laden with references to Engoron and his clerk, raised questions about potential violations of the existing gag orders. Trump's legal team contends that the restrictions hinder their ability to counter disparaging remarks made by New York Attorney General Letitia James, who initiated the $250 million fraud lawsuit against the former president. The broader context of Trump's legal battles includes a summary judgment by Engoron, finding Trump liable for fraud. The ongoing trial focuses on determining the extent of penalties for Trump and his co-defendants, including two of his adult children. This development in the New York trial coincides with the temporary blocking of another gag order related to Trump's Washington, D.C., election subversion case. Trump faces a total of 91 felony charges across 4 separate criminal cases, vehemently maintaining his innocence and attributing the legal actions to political persecution and election interference.